Hello viewers, welcome to Elimu TV where you watch and learn. I'm your tutor, Alex Musawa, and I'll be taking you through Chemistry Form 1, lesson number 28. Our topic is simple classification of substances. Our subtopic is effect of heat on water. And what are the objectives of this lesson? Number 1, to describe what happens when water is heated and cooled. And that is an example, as you can see from the diagram. When you heat water, something happens to water. It's going to have some bubbles and you're going to see some vapor, and the temperature is going to increase. Next, that is the heating curve of water and the cooling curve of water. So we're going to look what happens when you heat water. When water is heated, its temperature steadily rises as molecules absorb heat energy, which increases their kinetic energy. The temperature of the water continues to rise until the water starts to boil. As you can see there, the water is boiling from melting. The temperature rises and then it starts to boil. The temperature of the water remains constant as it boils. This is because the heat energy supply is used to break the forces of attraction, holding the bonds together. As a result, some particles break free and the water changes from liquid to gaseous state. The graph of temperature against time obtained when water is heated, as you can see, the heating graph when we heat water, that is what you can see there when we heat water. Next, we have the cooling curve. When you cool water, it cools, then it reaches the condensation point, and then the temperature drops, and then the freezing point, then it drops, it comes back to ice. Next, we have states of matter. As you can see, matter exists in form of solid, liquid, and gases. Change of state from solid to liquid and liquid to gas can be reversed by cooling. On cooling, the gas condenses into liquid, and finally the liquid freezes into solid. As you can see the changes from the diagram, from liquid to solid, that process is called freezing. And from gas to liquid, the process is called condensation. And from solid to liquid, the process is called melting. And from liquid to gas, the process is called evaporation. And from solid to gas directly, that process is called sublimation. And from gas to solid, it's called reverse sublimation. There are various substances that undergo sublimation, as we are going to see in this topic. Number 1 substance that undergoes sublimation is dry ice. Dry ice. You can see dry ice is carbon 4 oxide that has been dried. It changes directly from solid to gas through a process called sublimation. Another substance that undergoes sublimation is iodine. Iodine also undergoes sublimation. It changes directly from solid to a gas. Another substance that undergoes sublimation is ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride also undergoes sublimation. It changes directly from a solid to a gas. That is an example of ammonium chloride salt. As you heat, it changes to gas and it cools in the upper parts of the funnel. That shows that it does not turn into a liquid when you heat it. It directly changes from a solid to a gas. The process is called sublimation, and the reverse of sublimation, the reversing process from gas to solid is called reverse sublimation. And that is the end of our lesson. I have an assignment for you. Number 1, name at least 4 substances that undergo sublimation. Number 2, what is freezing? Our reference comes from KLB Book 1, 5th edition, 2019. For more information, contact us on our phone number YouTube, Elimu TV, Facebook, Elimu TV, and finally Twitter at Elimu TV_KE. Thank you for watching Elimu TV. Stay tuned.